In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if Windows Defender or Windows Security is not working or turning on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I do want to make a note that if you have multiple antiviruses installed on your computer, they may by default disable Windows Defender, so you don't have two running at the same time. You may want to remove that or uninstall that other program. And if you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select where it says system. And then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says system components. And then going down this list on the right side where it says Windows Security, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down again, underneath reset, if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system's components data will be deleted. Select reset again, and give that a moment. And then at this point, once you have a check mark, I'd recommend closing out of here, restarting your device, and then hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.